2025.
What's up, y'all? It's B coming back at y'all another video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going all the way up, leaving the solar system, man. We got a couple meets a no-nonsense cop. He probably gets offensive because, you know, he talking crazy to his old lady. Let's get into it.
Officers conducted a traffic stop when they noticed the driver and passenger switching seats.
Oh, you know why they were switching seats. He didn't have a license.
Hello? You were driving.
Ah, dummy. They know a difference from a girl and a guy.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
I'm 100% sure. Yeah. You have your license? Because I seen you driving without a seatbelt. Yeah. You have your license?
Telling you, bro, that's why you gotta be observant. That's why you gotta be observant. Cause man, they are observant. So you gotta be extremely observant.
You don't have a driver's license?
That's why he switched seats, because he didn't have a driver's license. Makes sense.
Switch.
Are you positive we just switched?
Yep, I am.
He says you ain't got no proof.
Can I see camera that you saw it switch?
When you
They don't
pulled
have
in.
proof.
Is there a camera can you show that camera to see it switch?
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you. Okay?
I mean, you just take it up in court. You can argue with it in court.
So you're getting loud with me. I'm telling you, you switched, okay?
I'm asking you a question. The same way you're asking me a question. That is
I observed you in the driver's seat of the vehicle. Okay. Yep.
I would like to see video like this.
Okay. Do you have your license, sir?
I do not. I have an ID number.
He said, I do not.
Okay, I'll be right back with you.
That's a dope ass Mustang.
I'm on the road.
Oh, it's a Charger. I think it's a Mustang though. My uncle had one growing up.
Step out, brother.
I love that thing.
It's a red, child support.
No, it's suspended license. Put your hands up on
He
the car.
said child support.
My license is suspended.
Put your hands on the car, brother.
You seriously gonna take me to jail
Yep.
for a suspended license?
Yes, they
sir.
do. Yes, they do.
Come on, man. It's my first time, brother.
Stay in the car for me, ma'am.
Are you serious?
Stay in the car.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Ryan.
You did.
I'm currently getting incarcerated right now because the police officer really wanted to say he's on the street driving, man.
Ay.
Yes. Just
I'm on the
relax,
phone
though.
with the...
But I mean, you can do it in court though. You can argue with it in court because if there's no camera footage, you might be good, bro.
Can I see
Finish
proof?
your cigarette.
Can I see proof?
Dude, you drive every day. Every day I see you drive in the car.
Can I see proof?
Hey, look, that's why the nigga smiled. You like, yeah, I do be driving every single day.
Can I see proof? Seriously, man.
Okay.
Is there any way I can see proof, please, man?
That's something I'll look into.
Come on,
I don't know
man.
if this
I
camera
noticed you've been having it out for me, bro. You've been watching me for a while.
I don't have it out for you.
I mean, he did say that he's watched you in that car, so I mean, yeah, he has been watching you. That's for sure.
You the one
He's been
that
watching
kicked me out
me.
of that hotel because my
Listen.
kids were a nuisance.
Hear me out for a
Damn.
second. You always drive that car.
I do.
So don't lie to my face.
I do.
You always
But
drive
today
that
I
car.
wasn't. Today I'm telling you, I was not
I saw
driving
you guys
today.
switch.
I was not driving today, boss. How, bro? I was not driving today.
All right, well, take it up in court. In court, you'll be good, bro. You can probably get away with it because they ain't got footage.
Because
windows are tinted too.
Okay, we're done with this. Turn around. You got any weapons on you?
All bails and all bails will be 20%.
So over with.
Trying to tell them.
Put out my nigga cigarette. Hey, put out my nigga. Why'd you put out my nigga cigarette though? Look at the way this nigga put out his cigarette, chat. Nigga said we don't this. Look.
So he said my bond would be $500. So I guess with $50, I don't know.
Watch. Wait for it.
Hey, calm down.
I'll be hot as hell. I got a
It'll
cigarette in my
be-
hand. Imagine I got a cigarette, yo.
Yo, they say it'll be $100. Call a bondsman. It'll be $100 to get me out.
Okay, we're done with this.
Nigga took away
Turn
my
around. You
cigarette.
got any weapons on you?
All bails and
That's crazy work, chat. That's crazy work.
20% or $100, whichever comes first. So if it's 1,000, it's 100. If it's $200, then it's $100.
This is a weird part, man. Like he said, she said. He said he saw me switch, bro, and I was not driving.
Yeah, I observed you without your seatbelt on. Have a seatbelt?
I want to see video proof.
Okay.
He said I want to see video
I'm fighting
proof.
this in court.
So So she's pregnant, right? Ma'am, let me chat with you for a minute.
Chad.
Okay, so
Yeah, and she's pregnant.
you're gonna be charged with obstruction. So place your hands
Damn, she's pregnant. Gonna arrest her too?
like this for switching. Okay?
Damn.
His phone's up here. Don't forget
Okay.
it. Here, take it with you to get a number on it.
Can I have a 1081 by location?
Yeah, that's crazy work, bro. I didn't think she was gonna get arrested too. They said nope, y'all both gotta go.
This is necessary for a stop. For a stop. This is necessary. He's trying to say something. Can the window be put down?
Well, he's yelling like an animal.
Yeah,
so
because he's trying to tell me something.
you guys gotta relax. Once
I
everybody
am relaxed.
relaxes.
I'm pregnant. I am a high risk.
Okay.
I can't also make it more complicated. So I'm trying to relax just for my baby.
Okay. You'll take a deep breath and then we'll.
Okay, well, W mom for being calm, even
I
under
have freedom of
pressure.
speech. I am allowed to speak. I am allowed to. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Doesn't
You did do
justify
something
it.
wrong. You switched
But they will put the
seats.
window down because he's speaking.
Can you just cut
Dude,
me
you
that?
just lied to my
Wait,
face.
can you?
Be honest with me.
So what, they're gonna get rid of her? They're gonna
Yes,
arrest
I
her too, or?
It's a
I don't
much
think
better.
so. All right, I'll be back at y'all next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Every day I'm just making more and more videos. What can I say? I'm out of here. Love y'all.